Hello everybody! So for my next jigsaw I decided to do this one because today is Thursday and on Saturday we've got New Year's Eve, so I might finish that before it. Yeah, as you can see, the image is a New Year's Eve image. The title is New Year's in Times Square. Yeah. And I can't find the artist. Might be Joseph Burgess. So it is from Ravensburger and you can find all the information in the description. So I think the pieces are a bit bigger than normal and this is why it is getting a bit bigger than a normal 500 pieces jigsaw. Okay. Nothing much to say here because, yeah, I will start this now. Let's do the jigsaw. Okay, and that's it. So that was quite uncomplicated. And as I thought, the pieces are bigger than usual. So although it's a 500 piece jigsaw, it is a bigger in the measurements. Yeah, it was fun. It was fun. It was a bit wild here, but that was okay. And all the people are celebrating the New Year's Eve, and that's why I want to wish you a Happy New Year as well. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see us next year. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Thank you.